Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and welcome back to maths class. Today in this maths class we are going to continue with our chapter number 8, multiple and factors. In that we are going to study these two topics, that is prime numbers and composite numbers. So let's start. Now before we start, just take a look at what are the natural numbers. The set of numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on are called as the natural numbers. Means the number which we use daily, that are 1, 2, 3, they are called as the natural numbers. Now these natural numbers are divided into two parts. First, prime number. Second, composite number. Now one thing you need to remember, that any given number has 1 and itself as its factors. Factors I have already explained you students in the last lecture. Means if a particular number is given, there should be only two factors compulsory, that it will come in one table or itself table. This thing you have to keep in mind. Now moving ahead, our first topic is prime numbers. So let's see what it is. A number having exactly two different factors, namely 1 and itself. That means a particular number which is having only two factors, means it will come only in two tables. One table and itself table is called as the prime numbers. So what are the example of prime numbers? That are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29 and so on. These are the numbers which have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Now as you all can see the example, that factors of 2 are 1 and 2. That means the number 2 comes in one table and two table. Then the factors of 5 are 1 and 5, means the number 5 comes in one table and 5 itself table. Then the factors of 11 are 1 and 11. Understood students, what are prime numbers? The numbers which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself is the prime number. Now moving ahead is the composite numbers. A number having more than two different factors, that means a particular number will come in more than two tables. Examples are, see, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20 and so on. These numbers are coming in more than two tables. Examples here are factors of 4. Now as you can say that 4 is coming in three tables, 1, 2 and 4. Then the factors of 8. Now 8 comes in four tables, in one table, two table, four table and 8 table. Then the factors of 12. Now 12 comes in 6 tables. How? In one table, two table, three table, 4, 6 and 12. So when a particular number is having more than two factors, that means it is coming in more than two table, that number is called as a composite number. Understood? Now points to remember, that 1 is neither prime nor composite number, means you cannot consider it as a prime and not a composite number. Next point, the smallest prime number is 2 and it is only the even prime number. Now 2 is the smallest prime number and it is also an even prime number. Okay. Then the third one is 3 is smallest odd prime number. These things you have to remember. I hope students you have understood the prime number and composite number. Now let's start with our writing work. Okay. So students, remove your maths notebook and take a new page. Write the date and give the heading prime numbers. Now you have to write all these in your maths notebook. See, prime number, a number which has only two factors, 1 and the number itself is called prime numbers. Next, composite numbers, A number which has more than 2 factors is called composite numbers. Then next you will write, leave one line. 1 is a number which is neither prime nor composite. Next point, the number 2 is the only even prime number. Now, turn your page and take a new page. Write problem set 34. Copy the first question. Write all the prime numbers between 1 and 20. Now students, as I have explained you, what are prime numbers? The numbers which has only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself is called the prime number. So here from 1 to 20 you have to write that numbers which comes in one table and itself table. So that numbers are answer 2 comes in one table and 2 table. Then 3 also come in one table and 3 table. 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. You have to write between 1 and 20. So these are the numbers which are prime numbers. Now question number 2. Write all the composite numbers between 21 and 50. Now I have explained you composite number also. The composite numbers are the numbers which has more than 2 factors, means their particular number comes in more than 2 table. So you have to write that numbers which will come between 21 and 50. So the numbers are answer 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 38, 39, 40, 42, 44, 45, 46, 48 and last 49. Now these are the numbers which are composite number, means they comes in more than 2 table. Now question number 3. Circle the prime numbers in the list given below. Yes, some numbers are given to you students and you have to circle the numbers which are prime, means which comes in one table and itself table. So that numbers are, use pencil to do the circle, okay? 37, 43, 53, 59, 79 and 97. Now write the next question, that is question number 4. Which of the prime numbers are even number? Answer, only 2 is the even prime number. Write, leave one line and write this. Rest of the even numbers are composite number. Means 2 is an even number also and it is a prime number also. Prime number because it comes in one table and 2 table, that's it. And the other which are even number, they all are composite number like 4, 6, 8 because they have more than 2 factors. Okay students, so with this we have finished our problem set 34. Complete your book on time. I will see you in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye. Take care.